All right, last one.
In Romania, 20 squats will get you a free bus ticket. Disabled and elderly people get to ride for free.
That's kind of nice.
Mm-hmm.
This is true? Wow.
I think this is the system here.
Yeah, it's tracking.
It's like a kiosk.
You have to stand between two lines. There's some sort of tracking taking place, so they know that you've actually executed. I'm sure plenty of people try to cheat it. But yeah, you're squatting, you're getting bus tickets. They're trying to encourage your physical behavior.
Yeah.
They're trying to you have the healthy population and save the money on the health care. So they're like, this is better.
I wouldn't mind doing this.
You save
When I was, like, a kid or
$2 right now.
Yeah.
Do the squats. We save $2 later.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder how it detects you from doing more. You get like a lifetime supply of bus tickets or something.
Yeah. Like there's a
face tracker.
maximum number of times.
Yeah.
I don't even know if there's an advantage to that because no, the bus ticket is probably dated. Like that's it. You just get one for
Right,
then and there, and that's the end of it. It has a code on it or whatever else. But yeah, I don't know. It's pretty cool.
It's fun.
There's probably somebody who's pissed off at it, but I mean that's just in general. That's the case with anything. But I mean, they gave elderly people and disabled people the free ticket, but there's probably some other group that's just like I'm fat and I want to be. And don't make me squat. I should, you know, like when you do a contest and they say no purchase necessary.
Yeah.
There might be like a no purchase necessary version of this.
But the no purchase necessary is always so much harder. Do you get what I mean? Like you have to legitimately You're just gonna end the show on me like that.
Okay. What are you gonna say?
No,
'Cause
like
you
Lou, what's going on? Why are you looking at Will and then back at me?
I think because I leave the song off like abruptly, I just stop it. He
Right.
goes insane.
Right.
That's how it goes. So I'm just gonna
Okay.
start it up again, and then it's gonna be okay.
All right. And there we have. Thank you everybody for tuning in to Lou Later. Thank you to the chat. Thank you to everybody who gave super chats. We've lost Lou today, but we'll be back again tomorrow.
Thank you guys. We appreciate it. Take care.